Have you traveled south on US 84 out of Lubbock towards Slayton lately and wondered what the windmill was that was along the side of the road? Well, it's the electric energy source for this building that was built by New Frontier Structures. Building is brick veneered around structural insulated panels. In a minute we'll be inside and we'll show you those panels. Those panels are important because of the insulation factor, the strength and durability of this property. The windmill you saw actually provides electricity to this building and at times does create enough energy to be sold back on the grid. Building's 3,600 square feet. This is half of it, so you're looking at 1,800 square feet. High voltage ceiling. It's got a high velocity HVAC unit. There's one ADA restroom that's in this side of the building. We're going to walk. The building could be separated into two, or it could be one 3,600 square foot building. This is the way the underside of the structural insulation panels look. OSB, and then it has sandwiched foam in the middle. We're going to walk into a closet over here that actually has the electronics that the windmill comes into. Control box, batteries. There is a potential you could own this building and never have to pay for electricity. It's on separate water well, septic system. Here's the actual panels. You can see OSB exterior, high density foam. See the holes in there? That's an electric chase for conduit for the electrical wiring. Right down below here is a mock-up of the way the walls and roof all go together. Let's turn all the way around. We're going to go all the way around the room. Try not to make you sick. That's the HVAC unit that is powering this building. Ductwork goes up and overhead's high velocity, so it pushes lots of air. Very energy efficient. We have one last thing to look at. Hopefully it'll come into focus when we get there. There was a structure being built in Galveston by New Frontier when the hurricane came through. The building was not completely finished when the hurricane came through. And the results, you can't even tell that it was within a storm. Two restrooms. It's one restroom in each side. There's a storage closet in each side. Overhead lighting. We're going to step back outside. You're going to notice when we step outside, we're pretty close to the highway, and you're going to notice some noise from the vehicles. But really, when you're inside this building, because of the insulation factors of the structural panels, I think you'll really hardly be able to tell there's any traffic at all. This is the east side of the building. Great building by New Frontier Structures, all structural insulated panels.